Hey guys, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana.
And welcome to Our Lives Travel.
So hey everybody, we wanted to make a quick video just to come and let you know. We know we've kind of ghosted everybody for a minute here. Life has brought us some changes over the past half of the year. As some of you know, we lost our baby girl Pop-Tart this summer. And between that and work, we've just kind of been low-key with the social media thing. However, we actually have recorded content, so we actually have a little backlog of stuff of a couple cruises that we've taken that we're going to share with you. And we also have 2 new cruises coming up. And they are cruises, they're ships that we have never been on before, so I'm really excited about that.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun.
So we just really kind of wanted to come and let you know we're still here.
Yeah.
And we still have content we want to share with you guys, and we love you for leaving the comments and questions that you have, and hopefully we've been able to respond to everybody who has left comments. But we just kind of wanted to let you know where we are and just give you a heads up that we are coming back.
Yeah, so please continue to make sure you view our videos, leave comments, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will see you guys very, very soon. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Do that end again, because you're not supposed to.
So please continue to watch our... Oh, okay.
Do it one more time.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Who says bye first?
You do.
Well, then why you say it?
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.